Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video if you find the video informative as well. So bafowethu angazi noma sengilate but ngibuka lento le DNA ama results yabo. Nange laphayana uminister usenza umchunu, uminister of police if I'm not mistaken, enza le nto isimemezelo sokuthi okay, lo muntu obekuyena osolwa kakhulu kahle kahle akuyena umuntu ke oyiperpetrate, because I'm sure abantu abaningi bebevele belindele lokho and futhi bebevele sebefuna ama results ke manje ke aqondene ke ikakhulukazi naye lo ngqo yabo. Imibuzo ke manje esele noma umbuzo sele ukuthi ke kanti ke engabe ubani nokuthi ke kwayena ke lo principal in as much as ke kutholakala ukuthi akusuye ngokwama results ke manje ama results lawa ke ngabe iwona ngempela yini noma sekungene isandla sesithathu yabo. Abantu abasakholwa ngalawo ma results okwaleyo kwaleyo test leyo ukuthi ke yenzeke ngendlela efair yini yabo. Ukuthusa abantu ke nokudelaya nje kwayo yonke lento le ukuthi ke awu kokuqala ke ulokhu ngani udefeate indlela ilento zami umthetho kumele usebenze ngayo yabo yena lo principal. But same time mina ngokubuka kwami khona umunye umfowethu nje ngeke ngambone ekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ke ngisho ngathiwa ama results lawo abuye negative kodwa kusalayo uprincipal kumele athathwe njengomuntu vele onecala yabo. Noma icala lingangeqondana nokuthi ke uye o violate ingane, but icala sekuwukuthi yena okokuqala wanqaba ukuthi ke enze ngendlela umthetho ke osho ngayo yabo. Okay, okwesibili uhlulekile ukuprotecta ke indaba yokuthi izingane esikoleni azibe safe kuze kube khona umuntu okwazi ukuba ne access to ukulimala kwengane yabo. Nokudelaya ke ilo iprocess yokuthi ke icala liqhubeke yonke leyo nto le amacala vele bekumele aqale phansi lo muntu lo abhekane nawo noma atholwe imlahla kahle kahle yabo ngokwesenzo sakhe. Bengafisa kodwa ukuzwa ke imbono yabantu ngokuthi ke mhlambe ingabe bayakholwa yini ukuthi ama results lawa a clean awanawo ucobo yabo, ngoba ayibandla kubukeka ngathi iclean le ndoda ebisolo njengoba esho naye lapha uminister ukuthi ke hayi lokhu abantu akade becabanga akuyikona. I think ngibone futhi enye ama post on Facebook ithi ke sekumele ke kuclearishwe igama lakhe lo mnumzane kwase kukhulunywa ngendaba yokuthi okay lo bebhalile umuntu omhlophe include indaba yemfene wathi ke ayike lezi imfene lezi sekumele ke ziclearish igama ke la sibanibani okuyena okade solakala kakhulu futhi uprincipal wakhona lapha. So bafethu ake nisho ukuthi nina do you think ngempela into ekumele yenzeke le uclearish okwale igama lalomuntu noma ukuthi lo muntu lo bekufanelekile yini ukuthi aqhubeke nje abe umuntu ofree ngaphandle kokuthi ke kuze kube ukuthi uchargewa for lezi ezinye izinto ahlulekile ukuzenza, especially lezi engiyibhalule. Anyways, don't forget to like this video and comment on the section down below. Thank you.
DNA is critical when these matters of this nature are handled right from the beginning. Now, DNA testing was done on the victim as per procedure. And the outcome of those who were dealing with the matter was that no foreign DNA could be found on the victim. But in the course of time, there were 3 persons of interest who emerged Now, that then required further DNA testing. What has since become clear since they started is that the investigation generally followed the correct processes, but of course with challenges present, as I've indicated, that this is a case without witnesses, and it's a case involving a minor, and it's a case where DNA, crucial as it would be, but it wouldn't be comprehensive and get completed in the sense that you wouldn't be able to compare, do the necessary procedural